Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Chan and happy new year. It's finally 2018 and I'm so ready for this year. So many amazing things coming up and hopefully growing this channel even more. I'm so thankful already. So yeah, I just created this makeup look. I did create a similar one on one of my hauls, like I did wear this on one of my hauls almost, and so many people asked for a makeup tutorial on this, and I wasn't like so happy with the results, so I did change a bit of it, put falsies on. I didn't wear falsies in the haul, so I really hope you like this lilac violet pastel kind of makeup look. If you want to know how I did that, then just keep on watching. So to start this look, I'm using the MAC Prep and Prime Face Protect Lotion. Next, moving on to foundation, I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation in 105 and the MAC Mineralized foundation in NC25, and I'll just mix these two together. I'm just using like one pump of the MAC foundation and almost the same amount of the Maybelline one, just because like the Maybelline one dries out matte and the MAC one is like so liquid. So yeah, I'm kind of just like mixing them together. I'm using a wet Real Techniques beauty sponge and dab that all over my face. I also love mixing these two together because it's different shades, and the MAC one is almost too dark for me and the Maybelline one is a little too light. So mixing that makes the work so much easier for me. Moving on to concealer now, I'm starting with the NYX Gotcha colored one in porcelain. The sun is literally playing hide and seek with me, you guys. Okay, so I'm starting with this concealer right underneath my eyebrows. And now just blend that out. Next, I'm using the NYX Wonder Stick in medium. I'm using this dark shade right here to contour around my face. Next, I'm using the Fit Me Concealer from Maybelline in shade 15, and I'll just cover up like dark circles underneath my eyes. I'll highlight my nose, my forehead a little bit. And I'm trying to cover up these pimples. Now I'm blending in the concealer first, like the light one from Maybelline, with the same Real Techniques beauty sponge. And now I'm blending in the dark shade right here. Next, I'm using Hula Light from Benefit. I'll go over the cream contours with the Hula Light and the 1036 brush from BH Cosmetics. It's this angled brush and it's amazing, you guys. For my nose, I'm using Hula Light again and the 141 brush from BH Cosmetics. Now moving on to the eyebrows, I'm using the Make Me Brow Gel from Essence. This is the lightest shade. Not the lightest, I'm sorry, this is the darkest shade. Next, I'm setting, and I'm using the setting powder from Primark. I'm using this 138 brush from BH Cosmetics, and I'm starting with my eyelids. And then I'll go underneath my eyes. Next, moving on to eyeshadow, and I'm using the Huda Beauty Desert Dust palette. I'm starting with the Suiva brush. This is the 231, by the way, and I'm using the shade right here for my crease. I think this is like such a perfect transition shade because it's like so warm toned, but it goes with so many different eyeshadow colors. Next, I'm using Amber and the same brush. I'm using this on like the outer part of my crease and blend it like in. Next, I'm using this shade right here and this BH Cosmetics brush. Next, I'm moving on to Cashmere, and I'm using this ABH brush. I'll just connect it with the other color just put on. And I'm just like blending this into my crease and blend all of the eyeshadow together. So for my waterline, I'm using this Prolongwear waterproof color stick, okay, from MAC, and it's this silver shade right here. So yeah, I'll just pop that all over my waterline. Underneath my eyes, I'm using the same Anastasia Beverly Hills brush, and I'm using Turkish Delight. Next, I'm using this golden shade right here in the same brush. Just pop that in the inner part. Now for the more exciting part, I'm using the NYX Vivid Brights eyeliner in this pastel violet lilac shade. It has like a tiny tip, just like amazing to apply. So I'm starting right here with the wing. This liner dries out matte, by the way. I love putting on like glittery bits on it as well. It looks amazing. Next, I'm putting on some mascara, and I'm using Benefit They Are Real. Next, I'm using the GWA lashes in Fantasy, and I'm putting these on. If you're new to like falsies, then you could like easily put black eyeliner on the lilac one. That makes applying it like so much easier, but I think I'm doing quite a good job, so I'll skip this. Just pop them on. For my inner corner highlight, I'm using this shade right here out of the Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm using this BH Cosmetics 105 brush. For my face, I'm using the Becca highlight in C-Pop. I'm using this on the bridge of my nose and like the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow. and of course on my cheekbones. I'm using this 101 brush from BH Cosmetics, and I tried so many brushes to apply highlighter, but this brush, you guys, perfect. The highlight as well, it's like golden and so shimmery. On top I'm using the Naked Illuminated powder from Urban Decay in Aura. It's got like glittery pigments in it, so I'm just popping this on the highlight I just put on, and looks cute, you guys. It looks cute. Now for my lips, I'm using this lipstick from NYX. I don't have like a lip pencil in that color, but I'm just popping this on. It applies very easy, so I'm fine with that. Don't even know what shade that is. 629. Now I'm fixing all of this makeup with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. That's it, you guys! Thank you so much for watching this video with me. If you did like it, then give this video a thumbs up, please. It would make me so happy. If you want to, you can definitely subscribe to my channel as well if you haven't been already. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Goodbye!